Okay, hello. Please ignore what's happening in the background. We are just getting this new shelf installed, or we're just filling it. But I am so excited. I just got this package, which I've been looking forward to so much. I've been obsessing over this purchase. And I wanted to do an unboxing because I put it on my Instagram and nobody really cared, but I feel like some people cared. And I care a lot, so I thought maybe it's fun to share. And I am so excited. And I've always wanted to have this exciting opening a package on camera moment, like all the vintage girlies or TikTokers do. So I'm gonna open this. This is such a random purchase. So maybe this already gives away a little bit of what it's gonna be if you've seen that one infamous Instagram story that nobody cares about as much as I do. And they sent it in this box, which is kind of cute, but also so random. It looks like a coffin a little bit. You have this, and then there's also this. I might actually use this for something, but that's quite nice. And now maybe I should do this on camera. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so beautiful! Doing the beauty influencer. Oh my god, can you hear that like clicking sound? Oh, this product design, like I bought this because I really wanted to get into playing Nintendo DS again, because I hung out at my grandma's place with my boyfriend and she has a Nintendo DS, and one of the big things we used to do, and we did last time, is playing the brain jogging game. And it's so much fun and it's good for your brain, so that's how I wanted to get into it. And also this product design, this is the perfect like console. Honestly, I like the Nintendo DS better design-wise than the Nintendo 3DS. I'm showing this as if you've not seen what a Nintendo looks like. We all know. To be fair though, this completely missed me. When this came out, I did not have it on my radar. I used to have the Nintendo DS in white, which was stunning, so beautiful. We might still have it actually. But the 3DS, which is quite cool, has a camera, so you can film some silly little videos with that like vintage nostalgic effect. Sorry, I'm just looking at the scratches. There's a few scratches, but I don't think I mind. So this has the camera, and this, I think also this like cursor is new, which I never liked this on gaming consoles. I don't have the like fine finger work, and also with the nails, I feel like that might get annoying. And this, it just wiggles in like a weird way, but maybe it's actually good. So I got this, I'm so excited. I also ordered like this set of pens. I'm excited to see. This is so riveting. Seeing if the pen fits, because I wasn't entirely sure which one to order, but she said it's not coming with a pen. See, I don't even know where to put this. Oh, does it not have a slot for the pen? I wonder, no, I swear I looked online and they told me to get these pens, because this is already like subtracted as small as it gets. So I guess I got the wrong pens, which is okay. These ones were quite fun though, because you can do this. Like, how fun is this? Oh, you can see this sound. How fun. So wrong pens, doesn't matter. I will just keep them and play with them as is, get new ones. I will try and plug this in to see if it works. Oh, actually the power button is right here. Nothing is happening. The sound. I am one of these annoying like people that overreacts to anything. Oh my god, so fun. So I'm gonna set this up. My friend gave me her brain jogging and Animal Crossing. I've never played Animal Crossing and I don't think it's my type of game, but I wanted to try it. I'm mostly using this for my brain, maybe the filming, and if there's any fun games ideas, let me know. But how fun! I love this! I want a phone like this. No, I can't come. I'm sorry. So good. So maybe this fills my urge to get a flip phone, which I've been really playing around with the idea in my head and getting on the nerves of my friends being like, hey, is a flip phone cool? But I don't know if I can move away from iOS. And then my friend also said, like, iOS is so secure in terms of data protection, but also, does it matter? Do I care? Is my data worth anything? But yeah, this is my new Nintendo 3DS. I'm so excited to start my journey. Any games, ideas, let me know. I also want to put maybe like a sticker or a skin, but then I don't know if I ruin this very basic classic design. Yeah, maybe I will keep you updated on how my gamer journey is going. It's really hard to find like accessories for this, like a bag. Nobody makes these anymore. I also kind of wish it wasn't like silvery pink, like a metallic. I wish it was just baby pink, but doesn't matter. Still cute. So thank you for unboxing this with me, and I will see you probably never again because I don't really do videos like this, but bye.